Greetings, this is Steve Kramer, Business Librarian, with a 3-minute introduction to the Business Source Complete database.
Business Source Complete is one of our two big databases for finding articles from business journals, business trade magazines, and popular business magazines. The other one's called ABI Inform. And if you go to my research guides by subject here, on any of the business school subject links, like accounting and finance, you'll see them listed next to each other, Business Source Complete and ABI Inform. And they're both very similar. ABI has more international business news. ABI has exclusive rights to Wall Street Journal and to The Economist. Business Source Complete here, though, has exclusive rights to Harvard Business Review. But otherwise, they're pretty similar products. There's also a basic search. There's search options all the way down. There's browsing options for the reports. Let's say, though, you got to write a paper about how big data is impacting or could impact accounting. Since I have two ideas, I'm going to use two boxes and use AND between them and search. And no options for how the sorting is done, relevance or date newest or whatever. Page options over here, limiting by type of publication or subjects or date, among other options. Over here on the left side, we'll look at the first article real quick. So here's a description of it, PDF full text link. And if I like this, I can save it as a PDF file. Now sometimes the full text of the article won't be there, like in these three cases. When that happens, click on the Check for Full Text link, get a new window, opens to a library product called A to Z, and we can see from this that we have access to this Wall Street Journal through ProQuest, ABI Inform actually. Click there, and normally it opens right up. And now here we have full text of the article, and I can use the ProQuest interface to email it to myself if I wanted to. Another example, say you need to find a social media article, but it has to be from the Harvard Business Review. So you can type in the name of the publication and open up this field limiter and change the option to publication name, SO, meaning source, and search. And that limits this keyword search for social media to only articles from Harvard Business Review, as you can see here. So that's one other way to filtering. These options here are optional almost every case, but they sometimes can help you get better results. One more quick example, some company names are really short and used in different ways, like the Gap. So if we're searching for articles about the Gap, you can type in Gap as a company search, and then any other topic you care about regarding the Gap, and then see exactly what's going on. So for Apple, there's millions of articles about Apple. Type in Apple and then change it to CO, company entity. You'll get better hits for Apple than just without it. You can download or email articles to yourself one at a time, or else you can make a folder option list. Go to the folder view link here or up here, and then download or email them as a group to yourself.